This is Renuka. Welcome to Dictogloss English classes. In today's video, we'll be studying classified advertisement. This topic has been covered in 2 videos. Before we begin with today's topic, classified advertisement, let's understand what is an advertisement. Advertisement is a public notice asking or offering services, buying or selling goods and property, or providing information about missing persons or pets. Advertisement can be classified into 2 types: classified advertisements or commercial advertisements, and we also call them display advertisements. In today's video, we'll be covering classified advertisements. Classified advertisements can be seen in the columns of newspapers and magazines. They are called so as they are classified or grouped as per the content in them into various categories like situation vacant, situation wanted, to let, for sale, kennel, missing, and so on. Coming to the points to be kept in mind while drafting a classified advertisements, only the keywords are used. The language should be factual, and we can avoid using articles, helping verbs, and prepositions. Information should be to the point, as each and every word is paid for. So the objective is to convey fully but by paying less. The word limit for this is 50 words. The content should be put in a box. Now let's take a look at the marking scheme from the examination point of view. It is for 4 marks in total. Format, which includes mentioning subheading or classification, that is for 1 mark. Content, relevance of the content is for 2 marks. Expression, grammatical accuracy, spelling and suitable style, and selection of word, that constitute 1 mark. The format of the classified advertisement is as follows. We mention the category, for example, for sale, situation vacant, matrimonial, etc. on the top and underline it. Then we mention all the necessary details very briefly, that is, we use only keywords and they can be separated using commas. Keep it very brief since each and every word is paid for. We mention the contact address and telephone number. In case of matrimonial and situation vacant, the newspapers also provide PO box. That is basically to preserve the secrecy of the identity. The word limit of classified advertisement is 50 words and the content is put in a box. In examination, you can get a question on the following types of classified advertisements: situation vacant, situation wanted, lost and found, sale and purchase, educational, matrimonial, to let, accommodation wanted, travels and tours, change of name, and missing. Let's take the first category, situation vacant. The following value points should be covered. We begin with the word required. The name of the post should be mentioned along with the number of vacancies. Qualities and qualification required, and the name of the company can be mentioned and may not be mentioned. The age and gender of the candidate should also be written. Pay scale and perks offered can be mentioned. Experience required and the mode of application or interview should be mentioned. Also the contact address and the phone number. Let's try it with an example. You are principal of National Public School Jaipur. You require a TGT maths for your school. Draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words for situation vacant column of the National Times, stating essential and desirable qualification, experience, etc. of the candidate. So we begin this advertisement with the title Situation Vacant. We have written this in capital alphabets and underlined it. Now we come to the main content. We begin it with the word required. Required an experienced female TGT mathematics teacher, CBSE curriculum, should be postgraduate in mathematics, computer savvy, trained in Vedic maths, desirable, attractive salary for deserving candidate, apply within 10 days to Principal, National Public School, AB Road, Jaipur. So in this advertisement you will see that we have covered all the value points that we discussed previously. Come to the next category, situation wanted. In this advertisement, the person is seeking a job, so we need to mention the person's details and the requirement of the person. We begin this ad with available, give the personal details, the type of job that he prefers, the qualities and the qualification that the person has, the area in which he is looking for a job, his age, gender, expected pay scale, and the years of experience that he or she has, along with the contact address and the phone number should be given. An example will help us to understand it better. You are Vikram Sonia, an honors graduate in history with specialization in medieval India. You are well acquainted with the places of historical interest in Delhi, Agra and Jaipur. You are looking for a job of tourist guide. Write an advertisement in about 50 words for the situation wanted column of a local newspaper. Your contact number is 999751234. Since we are seeking the job, so we have given it a heading, situation wanted. And we started with available. Available, male with BA honors, specialization in medieval history, looking for a job of tourist guide, age 25 years, fluent in both English and Hindi, well acquainted with the places of historical importance in Delhi, Agra and Jaipur, 2 years experience, good communication skills, charming personality, expected salary rupees 30,000 per month, contact number, the phone number and the email ID has been provided. Let's come to the next category, to let and for sale of property. We'll have a look at the value points. Since it is for the selling purpose, we begin it with available. We mention whether it is an independent house or an apartment, the number of rooms, floors, area in square meters, sun facing or park facing, water and electricity supply, garage facility, nearby attractions like school, hospital. We also mention whether it is a company lease or a personal lease and price in case of it is for selling, and also the contact. Let's look at a question. You are Harsh or Harshita of 12 Sevanagar, Pune. You want to sell your flat as you are shifting to another city for work. Draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in the Pune Times under the classified columns. Since this is for selling purpose, we give it a heading, for sale. We begin with available. 2-bedroom flat in Sevanagar, Pune with attached balcony, first floor, car parking facility, 24-hour water and electricity supply, low maintenance charges, centrally located, price negotiable. For further details, contact Harsh or Harshita and we give the contact number. Now take an example of a to let question. You want to let out a portion of your newly constructed independent house. Write an advertisement to be published in the to let classified column of the Indian Express, New Delhi. So we begin this advertisement with to let and we mention the word available. Available, a newly constructed 2-bedroom house on first floor with attached toilets, centrally located, market and school nearby, parking facility available, expected rent rupees 12,000 per month, company lease only, interested parties may contact Rajesh, and we have provided a phone number. Now we take an example of an advertisement to be drafted for the purchase column of the newspaper. You are Karan Kumar or Karuna Bajaj, a leading lawyer practicing in Surat. You want to buy an independent house in the City Light Road to be used as office cum residence. Draft an advertisement in about 50 words for the classified columns of the local newspaper. You can be contacted and the phone number has been provided. So we begin this advertisement with for purchase since we intend to buy. So required an independent house at City Light Road to be used as office cum residence, approximate area 1000 square meters, preferably corner 1, fully furnished with parking facility, reasonably priced. Interested may contact Kiran Kumar or Karuna Bajaj and the phone number has been provided. Let's take an example of an advertisement to be drafted for accommodation wanted section of the newspaper. You're working in a multinational company and you are shifting to Delhi. You are looking for an accommodation in Delhi. Draft a suitable ad for a house suiting your requirements. We begin this one with accommodation wanted and we start it with the word required. Required 3-bedroom house, first floor, preferably with servant quarter, parking facility, power backup with good ventilation, centrally located with school nearby, for 3 years on company lease. Interested owner may contact A.K. Sharma and the contact number has been provided. Next category that we'll cover in this video is household goods. We mention the name of the item, brand, model, color, year of manufacturing, condition, contact address and phone number. You have been transferred abroad. You want to sell certain electronic goods. Draft a suitable advertisement in about 50 words. You are Amit of Sector 55, Cantonment Road, New Delhi. So we begin this advertisement for sale. Available LG refrigerator 500 liters, white color, 2019 model, and Sony 56-inch TV for sale. Excellent condition, owner shifting abroad, reasonable price, contact Amit, and the phone number has been given. Let's take a look at the value points to be covered for the sale of a vehicle. We'll mention the make, model, color, accessories like seat cover, music system, mileage, number of kilometers driven, condition, ownership details and price expected, along with the contact address and the phone number. Let's practice it with a question. You are Ram Rajni. Draft a classified advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in the India Times for the sale of used motor car, giving all the necessary details. You can be contacted at and the phone number has been provided. We started with the heading for sale and we begin the content with the word available. Available white Maruti Swift Desire ZXi Year 2015, self-driven, 30,000 km driven, excellent condition, stereo fitted, leather and seat covers and perfectly working air conditioner. Price negotiable. Interested may contact Ram or Rajni and the phone number has been given.